In this video, I will show you how to add a link to your TikTok bio. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner to open More options. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Account. Here you need to switch to a TikTok business account by tapping Switch to Business Account. Choose a business category for your account and tap Next. Enter your email address and tap Add. You can now add a bio describing your business. Confirm the account changes. For now, tap Maybe Later when prompted to create content. Now go back to your profile. You should see a link already in your TikTok bio. Tap Edit Profile to change this link anytime. And that's it. You have added a clickable link in your TikTok bio. Please leave a like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.